Yes, I'm just going to show you a little bit with my simple green is all. Where these pencil marks are, I'm hoping that doesn't bleed through the paint, and because I got my simple green here, I'm going to try to wipe that off. This is just flat paint. See the pencil mark there? Look at that. And I don't know if that shows up better with this construction light off or on. Let's see here. See, you have to come up that far. But, I don't know. See, you used to have pencil marks over here with a simple green, took them off. Even on the flat paint, there was a big old mark there. Let's just leave that construction light off, shall we? Okay. I just spray a little bit on here. Oh, I gotta be careful. I caulk those holes. I gotta make sure I stay away from those holes. I'll just put this on there, and you may think it's not taking it all the way off. Just let it sit on there just for a short while. Okay, I'll come back to that. Now I can hit this one. You can do this with smudge marks, and this is what I'm going to do with smudge marks around the light switches and any other types of marks I see on the walls. And then whatever I can't get off with the simple green, then I'm going to put kills on it. Could I have just put kills? Maybe. Yeah, probably. But then you probably have to put 2 coats and stuff. See, this is really taking it off. There. You go over it, just let it sit on there just for a few extra minutes. The key with simple green, you may put it on initially and think, oh, this isn't working. And then you let it sit on there for 3 or 4 minutes. Sometimes you have, like when I'm cleaning floors, tile floors, shower floors and stuff, I'll put it on there and brush it on and then let it set for 10-15 minutes, then go back and really bear down and scrub it. I just got a bucket of water. I could probably just let the simple green dry on there by itself and it'd probably be fine, but hey, how much longer did that take? Just sponging it down. 15 seconds more. There. Now I can look and see what I have. I can do all my caulking and all that good stuff. That looks a ton better already. See, that didn't take me very long. Get yourself some simple green. Of course, I don't just buy it in one little container. Sometimes you get lucky. You might have this container attached to a gallon container of concentrate on the simple green, and this will come with it as a freebie. And lots of times they don't do that. So every once in a while, if I see that, then I'll grab it because I can always use an extra spray bottle. Okay, and then on the concentrate, I just put a little bit in here and then fill it the rest up with water. I can get about 40 containers like this, 30 to 40 containers like that, depending how much I pour in each one, and I'm good to go. See? Look at that. You see any pencil marks now? No, nothing. So I'm just gonna keep going around the room wherever I see something that needs to be kind of cleaned off. I'm gonna take my simple green and my bucket of water and my sponge and have at it. And you might have been wondering, hey Joe, are you gonna show us how to remove the smoke alarms too? Yeah, I'll do that too. Just keep watching. And These are probably not just battery operated. I'm guessing that they're battery operated with a lithium 10-year battery on there, and they're probably hardwired too. I won't know 100% until I take that down, will I? But when I get ready to do that, I'll show it to you. Hey, it'll be on the last bit of this episode. It'll be on the next episode, okay? Before I get ready to paint the ceiling, okay? Watch for it on my channel.